Right friends, welcome back to this YouTube channel Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up Velmora VPN application in all countries for a fast, secure and stable internet. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. Don't forget to drop a like. So that is it. First and foremost, you're going to start this tutorial by opening our Google Play Store so that you can be able to access this application from the official Google Play Store so that we can be able to connect to a secure internet. So in your Google Play Store, you're going to download this application, which is Velmora VPN. So you're going to search Velmora VPN and then download this application so that you can be able to access its secure internet. So this is the application I was talking about. Take note of the app icon, take note of the app name, then download. After downloading, make sure you install and then installing open. So keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidance. So this tutorial is going to be a beginner friendly step-by-step guide so that even if you have never set any VPN application, this tutorial will guide you through how to do it in just minutes. So you're going to come right down here where I'm going to be pointing so that you can be able to access a secure connection while online. So you're going to come right down here where you see update, and then once you choose update, you're going that process means you're going to be able to update the server so that this application can be able to connect to a secure internet in all countries. So you're going to choose online method of updating servers so that you can be able to update these servers. So you're going to come and tap right here where you see online update, and then once you update the servers, you're going to give it some few seconds so that it can establish or it can be able to update a secure servers while online. So let us give it some seconds so that it can be able to update these servers. And then as we wait for this application to update the servers, don't forget to add more time by checking right here where you see add 2 hours, and then you'll be able to access a secure connection while online with unlimited time. So we're going to come right here where you see auto select server, and then once you come where you see auto select server, right guys, sorry for that, it was a call, but let us continue. We're going to come where you see auto select server, and then once you see auto select server, make sure that you did update these servers at the start, because if you don't see any server, that means you didn't update the server. So give it some few seconds so that it can be able to update the server. So you can come right down here and then you re-update the server so that it can be able to give you those servers. Choose online method and then give it some few seconds to update the servers. I will pause the video so that this application can be able to update the servers, and then I will continue. Alright, let us continue. We're going to come here, you see test v2ray, and then we're going to be looking for the configuration that will be working in our country. So we're going to come and then switch from recommended to all countries, and then once you switch from recommended to all countries, you're going to carefully look for your country's server by scrolling down. Alternatively, you can employ the search bar and then type in your country's name and networks, or you can type in just your networker's name only, or you can type in just your country's name only. And then lastly, I'm going to show you a fastest server that will be working in all countries, and that server it is one of those fastest server. We're going to be connecting to this server which you see all country UDP. Choose that server, and then after you come right here and then start. And then once you start, it will be connecting successfully so that you can be able to establish for yourself a secure internet while online. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. I'm Maru's Tech, and then I sign out. Once yours fails to connect, kindly allow me know in the comment section, or you can troubleshoot it for yourself by turning airplane mode on and then off. Let us meet in the next tutorial. Maru's Tech, I sign out.